These are my standard solar lights. Really not going to light up the area, but when they start to light up of my solar project, you'll see the big difference. Oh, just a little darker, but all my lights are lit. The beauty, you're not going to see this till night time. Hope you enjoyed the video. I sure did. The old AC came down. The 110 VAC line was pulled out and a 220 10 AWD gauge was put in its place. The whip still needs to be changed around and a longer whip to be put. So where the new 220 dual zone in this big open space is going to go, the piping is going to come out. It's going to run longer, so I'm going to need 15 and 20 foot piping versus 10 foot. The 220 single stage put in was shifted over. The power box was shifted over, and the line was extended. I drilled a hole on the side, put an anchor, because the bracket still needs to go over some. I have enough room right now, but the extra 9 inches shooting over to the side will give me the room I need. So my work is all done, and that's what you see there. I'm going to show you a small video of me moving the AC unit over. I still need to clean up my cables and connect my indoor power lead to the unit. Thank you very much for viewing and have a great day.